A poor person will spend 3 hours driving across town in heavy traffic just to save $10 on a household item. They do this because they value a tiny bit of money far more than their own time. This mindset is exactly why the majority of society stays permanently stuck trading their hours for a mediocre paycheck. Rich people, on the other hand, operate on a completely different frequency. They understand the brutal reality that time is the only truly unrenewable resource on earth. You can always make another dollar, but you can never ever make another minute. In this video, I am going to show you the exact mindset shift you need to make right now to stop selling your time and start buying your freedom. Let's look at the math behind the traditional 9-to-5 job. When you work for an hourly wage or even a fixed salary, your income is mathematically capped. There are only 24 hours in a day and you have to sleep for 8 of them. That means no matter how hard you hustle, no matter how much overtime you pull, there is a hard limit on what you can earn. If you earn $20 an hour, your absolute maximum earning potential for a day is fixed. The system is designed to extract your physical time and convert it into profit for someone else. As long as your money is tied directly to your physical presence, you will never be wealthy. So, how do the 1% break out of this trap? They don't sell their time, they buy it from other people. Have you ever wondered why wealthy people gladly pay someone $20 an hour to mow their lawn, clean their house, or edit their videos? Broke people look at this and think, what a waste of money, I could just do that myself for free. But doing it yourself isn't free. It costs you your time. The millionaire knows that their personal time is worth $500 an hour. If they spend 2 hours cleaning their own house, they didn't save $40. They just lost $1,000 of earning potential. By paying someone else $20 an hour, they buy back their own time to focus on high-value tasks. This brings us to the ultimate secret of the wealthy: leverage. What do you do with that time once you buy it back? You use it for high leverage activities. Leverage simply means doing the work once and getting paid for it over and over again. Writing a book, coding a piece of software, or creating a YouTube video are all forms of leverage. You can spend 10 hours making one digital product, and it can sell 10,000 times while you are fast asleep. You can invest your money into cash flowing real estate or dividend stocks, and your money goes to work for you. When you build leverage, your income completely detaches from your time. You stop being the physical engine of your wealth and you become the architect of a system. You have to stop looking at everything in your life in terms of how much it costs and start looking at how much time it takes. Time is the only wealth that actually matters in this world. Start small. Find just one low-value task in your life. Outsource it or automate it and use that reclaimed hour to build an asset. If you found value in this video and want to learn how to build your financial empire, hit that subscribe button right now. Stop trading your life for pennies, protect your time at all costs, and I will see you in the next one.